Hi everyone, welcome to A Touch of Glam. My name is Leia and I'm so happy to have you here. I'm so excited to show you today's video, which is our DIY living room makeover that consists of DIY wainscoting, new furnitures, and decorations as I come take you along in this video to decorate with me. I'll be doing a giveaway in this video to simply thank you so much for being here and to show a love token for your continued love and support. You do not go unnoticed and I'm so grateful for you. I will be giving away $100 cash via PayPal, and all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, like this video, comment below, and make sure to turn on your bell notification so you never miss out on new contents. I will leave all the details on the description box below. Our living room is where we spend most of our time in our home, as it is a place where we love to cozy on and enjoy quality time with each other in this room for game nights, watch movies, and enjoy one-on-one conversations with each other and with our visiting family and friends. So it is most important for us to make sure to make this a place to feel at home, and of course with a touch of glam. In helping us create the at-home feel in this living room with a touch of glam, this video is in collaboration with HONBAY. HONBAY has sent us their 9-piece polyester modular sectional sleeper sofa with storage seats in gray color. This 9-seat sofa and storage ottoman and convertible sofa bed offers more than your typical sofa. It provides an exceptional level of comfort and functionality. It has thick and comfortable seats that features high-quality, soft polyester fabrics, a built-in high-density sponge with pressure equally dispersed, which provides you the greatest comfort feeling. The great thing about this modular sofa is that you can create your combination, so you can get exactly the sofa arrangement you want, which you will see soon the different sofa arrangements we have tried in this video. Not only is this sofa stylish and modern, but also practical addition to any living space, with each seat of the modular sofa that offers ample storage space for all your extra belongings, ensuring your room remains tidy and organized. HONBAY is considered the home of modular and sectional sofa. It is easy to assemble, disassemble, and move from one room or place to another, providing flexibility in your furniture arrangement. It is effortless to unpack the sofa and assemble. It was extremely easy that our son was the one to assemble the legs, and he loves setting up different arrangements to suit our needs. Once you arrange your perfect desired sofa arrangement, the connecting brackets to connect each seating is extremely easy to attach, which you will see in this video how my husband had done so. HONBAY has designed sofas of exceptional quality and stylish designs that could be configured to each person's wants and needs, customized to fit any living space, and can be easily transported while being inexpensive part of a home. HONBAY strives to create a space where detail, quality, and practicality matters, where people can come together and celebrate the little things like movie or game night. That is very much important to us for this living room, as I have mentioned earlier. HONBAY strives to make their sofa a comfortable place where you can take a quick nap, which we have already done so many times in the sofa, as it can be arranged as a sleeper sofa bed. HONBAY is extremely kind by providing you with a discount, which I will provide for you in the description box below, as well as HONBAY's link. Make HONBAY sofa part of your home. Thank you, HONBAY, for partnering with me for part of this video. We hope you enjoy and stay to watch till the end and get sense of ideas as we show you how we have added a DIY wainscoting and updated our furnishings and glam decorate with me in this living room makeover. Again, I want to thank you in advance for being here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you were able to get tons of ideas on how to also create a cozy, at-home feel with a touch of glam for your living room with everything we shared. Don't forget to enter the giveaway and be sure to check out HONBAY sectional sofa. Again, I want to thank you so much for being here and watching, whether you have been with me since beginning or are new here. I am grateful for each one of you. Hugs and kisses. God bless you all abundantly. Bye!